Welcome to session 4, where we will take a look at search engine optimization, otherwise known as SEO. You may have heard of it. SEO is an infamous yet very important marketing discipline, encompassing both the technical and creative elements of a user-centered website that does result in increased rankings, more organic traffic, and increased awareness in search engines. Now, in this lesson, we will dive deep into the weeds of both the theoretical and practical elements of modern SEO while dispelling many of the modern myths and confronting some of the black hat techniques that unfortunately are still practiced today. As such, the homework lessons in this session are intense, but will leave you well equipped on your journey to SEO perfection. Now, having started my SEO career in the mid-90s, I look forward to uncovering the many layers of modern SEO that today's marketing leaders need to know.